Wondering whether it's the perfect time to buy or sell LABU ETF? Let's take a deep dive into LABU. Our initial report was released on our website back on Friday, October 20, 2023. And now, we're bringing you an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any vital updates that could impact your investments. Supercharge your trading decisions with our cutting-edge AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the incredible power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Keep in mind that this video is solely for informational purposes and should not be regarded as financial advice. Brace yourselves, because we've got some important news about LABU. Our system has recently ranked LABU as a strong sell candidate, and it's got a score of -5.40. But what does this mean for the stock? Let's dive into its performance during this period. Hold on tight, because the stock experienced a massive loss of -37.25%. That's right, it's been a tough ride with an average daily loss of -1.43% since it was labeled as a strong sell candidate. Brace yourself for some exciting news about this ETF. It's currently in the midst of a thrilling downward trend in the short term, and there are indications that this trend will continue. Hold on tight because the next 3 months could see a potential change of -42.53%. Yes, you heard it right. There's a possibility of a return ranging between -47.71% and -23.33%. That's quite a ride. But wait, there's more. The 12-month trend suggests a fascinating -32.39% change over the next year. Can you believe it? The potential return could be anywhere between -40.44% and a whopping 63.42%. Picture a price range of $1.69 to $4.62 after 12 months. Now that's something to get excited about. Hey there, it's time for our daily update on LABU. Brace yourself for some news. LABU ETF had a red day on Friday, losing 1.74%. Let's dive into the details. On the last day, the LABU ETF price dropped from $2.88 to $2.83, marking its third consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, it experienced a fluctuation of 6.43%, reaching a low of $2.80 and a high of $2.98. In the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 of them, resulting in a total decline of 22.25%. However, there is a silver lining. The volume of shares traded also decreased, aligning with the ETF's movement. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 16 million shares, with a total of 30 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $86.14 million. Now, let's zoom out and take a look at the bigger picture. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $9.40, while the lowest price was $2.80. As of now, the current price is 69.89% below the 52-week high, equivalent to $6.57, and a staggering 98.48% below the all-time high on February 9, 2021, when the price soared to $185.61. Hey there! Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of stock signals? Well, today we're going to talk about some interesting signals for LABU. So, let's start with the good news. There's a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. But hold on, there are also some negative signals that might impact the stock's short-term future. The LABU ETF has sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which paints a more negative picture for the stock. And to add to that, there's a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. So, it's not all rainbows and unicorns for LABU. Now, let's talk about some key levels to watch out for. If the stock makes corrections and goes up, it might face resistance at $3.11 and $3.94. However, if LABU manages to break above any of these levels, it could trigger some buy signals. Keep an eye out for that. Unfortunately, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, September 1, 2023, and since then, the stock has fallen by a whopping minus 46.20%. Ouch! This suggests that there might be further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. On the bright side, the volume fell along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. So, there's a glimmer of hope there. Are you ready to uncover some fascinating signals? Let's dive in. We have an exciting buy signal from the moving average convergence divergence. Pivots are indicating a sell signal 35 days ago. Bollinger is flashing a buy signal 23 days ago. The short-term moving average is suggesting a sell signal 9 days ago. Unfortunately, the long-term moving average doesn't provide a recent sell signal. When we compare the short and long moving averages, it's a definite sell signal. Now, let's shift our attention to the 12-month chart. Brace yourself for some interesting insights. The short moving average is pointing towards a sell signal 33 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average gives us a buy signal 60 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 57 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more intriguing signals to explore. Hold on tight. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for LABU. Brace yourself, because there's no support from accumulated volume below today's level. And guess what? In the next couple of days, the ETF may perform very badly if the right conditions align. Talk about a roller coaster ride. This ETF is known for its wild movements throughout the day, making it quite volatile. It's like walking on a tightrope. The Bollinger Band predicts a large range for this ETF, which means it's considered high risk. Hold on to your hats. Just yesterday, the ETF swung a whopping $0.180 between its high and low. That's a staggering 6.43%. Can you believe it? And over the past week, its daily average volatility has been 8.13%. Buckle up for a wild ride. Welcome back. Today, we're going to dive into some exciting day trading levels for LABU. If you're looking for an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $2.88. It's a key level that could signal a great opportunity to enter a position. And if you're already holding the stock, this level might just be perfect for some swing trading action. But hold on, there's something you need to know. LABU doesn't have strong support from accumulated volume below. This means the stock has the potential to drop sharply under certain conditions. So, if you're not an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations, it's best to proceed with caution and consider placing bets wisely. Attention! Brace yourself for a negative evaluation of this ETF, with no stop loss in place. Are you wondering if the LABU ETF is a good investment? Well, let's take a closer look. LABU currently holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend. This suggests that its performance might be weak in the upcoming days or weeks. So, our evaluation of this ETF leans towards the negative side. However, when we analyze the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems uncover an interesting finding. The current price of LABU seems to be undervalued. Now, let's talk about Monday, October 23rd. We expect LABU to open up at $2.87, which is a gain of $0.0400 from its previous close. Attention all traders. Listen up for an important message. Trading comes with a thrilling but risky ride, where fortunes can be made or lost. But hey, before you dive into the market frenzy, it's crucial to consult a financial advisor. We're here to remind you of the importance of seeking professional guidance before making any buying or selling decisions. Remember, relying solely on StockInvest.us is not enough. We provide valuable information, but the ultimate responsibility lies with you. So take charge, make informed choices, and own your investment journey. Welcome to the captivating world of stock investing. We're thrilled to share our current view of the stock and we can't wait to hear your thoughts. Whether you agree or disagree, we encourage you to join the conversation by commenting below. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with our latest trading insights. Now, let's talk about the target for the ETF. What's your prediction? Share it with us. With warm regards from the entire StockInvest team, we wish you a day filled with success and beauty in your trading endeavors.